Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to submit your work in Google Classroom. Okay, so this is my class here. We're going to click it to open it. And I see the assignment. I can either see it in the stream or I can click on classwork. This is the only assignment we have, so it's the only thing here. I'm going to click on All About Me categories, because that's what I'm working with. And I want to view the assignment. Alright, so anytime you are starting an assignment, it's a good idea to just click over here for Add or Create. So I'm going to Add or Create. We know that we need to create a Google slide. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically name this correctly. Okay, so first, last name, and all about me. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up in Google Slides. Again, first and last name, all about me. Now I don't want this categories part in here, so I'm going to click on it, or I can click on the end and just hit backspace, but I like to do a click and drag and then hit backspace just the one time. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a few slides on here so that you guys can see what we are working on. So here we are. We have our assignment right here. All you have to do from here is click Turn In. Now if you want to add something to this, maybe you've been asked to make notes or you've taken notes and you want to share them, this is where you would click on Add from My Drive. If you go anywhere on these, it's going to create a new one for you. We don't want to create a new one. We've already made what we're going to make. So I'm going to go into my Google Drive, and let's say I wanted to add some sort of notes. I'll just add this. I'm going to click Insert. Okay, now you see that both of these things are here, and I can turn it in. It's going to ask me, do you really want to turn this in? These are the two things. Yes, turn in. And you know it's turned in once you have the option to unsubmit. The only way that you can make a change on your document or your homework is if you click on unsubmit. Okay? This is the only way you're going to have access to these things. Because if I open it up now, see how it says view only right here? Okay? If you request edit access, the teacher cannot give that to you. The only way that we can give you access to something that you've already turned in is if we return it for you. So since you're already here, you might as well just go in there and click unsubmit. Unsubmit. And you can click on your slides. And now you don't have that view only tab right here. Now you can completely do whatever you want to do because it's yours again. But if you turn it in, it becomes mine. Now, I wanted to show you on the right here, we have private comments. So if you wanted to write something in there like, I'm going to put in the private comments, I was absent for 2 of the days we worked on this. Can I have extra time since I turned this in late? This is a good place to put in little notes like that so that when the teacher is grading your project, they can see these things in here. Or you can ask, I wasn't sure how to animate the words, so I just did the photos. I hope this is okay. Okay, so once you have put these in, notice that they're time stamped. So we look to see when you're actually turning these in so that we know when you're asking questions and not sure about things. If at any time you put something in here that you don't want you decide that you don't want to send to your teacher, you can just click on these 3 dots and delete it. Yep. Okay. And delete this other one as well. And as a teacher, we see those and we do respond. The teacher would put any class comments down in this section here. And that's it.